friends, so let us now have a detailed look of the ID boot. So this is the boot. First impression, it looks pretty robust, strong, and build quality looks really good. Let me take out the other pair as well. Same, it is built very well, very good fit and finish, as you could see. Here you can see the ID branding. Here the size is mentioned. The sole is in dual color, so ash color and black color kind of color. Here you can see the IDX branding tag. Here also inside, I hope you can see this, here also there is the IDX branding. So here is the tag, IDX being cut. Okay, so I hope you can see this tag. So here the MRP is written as 4,685. However, this shoe is available in Amazon and on IDX website at 1,874, around 1,874. And if you are purchasing this shoe during some festive season like in Deepavali, you will be having additional discounts. I got it at an additional discount of around 100 rupee. So that's about the pricing. Let us have a look at this tag as well. It is written NODR, no order short, I think, because if you turn over this tag, you can see, I hope you can read this, anti-odor, silver inside, fragrance, antibacterial. So basically they are saying that it is having silver lining inside. So this shoe has anti-odor and antibacterial properties. So let's just try to see the inside of this shoe. I hope you can see this inside of the shoe. So here it is soft, I think cotton or some other kind of material. Soft padding is there. Yes, that soft padding is there inside the entire shoe. On the this part, on the heel side, in the lowest portion, there is no padding, but on all other parts I think there is padding. So that's it, friends. Hope this helps you to make a decision whether you like to have it or not. Have a nice day. Thank you.